Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. The World Wide Web contains a huge level of web facial images, and those are weakly labeled. And secondly, while dealing with face annotation, people will be using well labeled images for face annotation. While doing so, they will be having a huge data set which contains well labeled images, but they are all copyrighted and are not freely available and a little bit costlier, and but still we are having freely available web facial images over the web, which could be retrieved by just entering a keyword in Google. These images are or can be utilized for face annotation. So this is where comes our project. So while dealing with face annotation, we will be needing a huge data set for face annotation. For that purpose, we are firstly going to mine the weakly labeled facial images from the web, which are freely available. So after that, we are going to do some series of processes for creating a well-defined data set for face annotation. Firstly, we are going to recognize the face. Before entering into mining process, we will be carrying some series of image processing techniques for us to create a data set which will be utilized in the face annotation phase. So we will be carrying that face identification technique using Waller-Jones algorithm, and then we will be registering the face, that is aligning the face using deformable look-cascade algorithm. So based on this algorithm, the images are processed and are created a data set. And for indexing the created data set, we will be using two types of algorithms. One is based on the image features which are extracted and then it was indexed using LSH, locally sensitive hashing technique. And after that, the raw images are labeled using unsupervised label refinement process. So based on these two algorithms, the complete data set are indexed, and these indexed dataset will be utilized for the searching operation. When an input image is given to the whole system, the system will be carrying out a task of searching technique. The resultant will be some K images. So this K images will be used for annotating the given facial image based on majority voting technique. This is the whole process carried out in the project for creating a face annotation based on the weakly labeled facial images. Firstly, weakly labeled web images are mined from the web, and then those images are passed on to the next phase. First, in that face identification is completed, and after that passing those identified face images to face alignment procedures, and those aligned images are extracted for gist features, and those gist features are indexed based on locality sensitive hashing methodology. Also, the label refinement technique is carried over on the image based on ULR, unsupervised label refinement. This whole procedure involves in creating the data set for finding the similar K images, which we will be utilizing later. After that, input query image is passed over to the system. The query image is face identified, and face alignment procedure is carried out and gist feature are extracted for the image. This gist feature is used for searching operation, and after completing the operation some key images are listed, and based on majority voting technique the face annotation process is carried over. As we discussed earlier, mining weakly labeled web facial images fast search face annotation process. So it involves a series of processes from starting from mining web images, face recognition, face registration, indexing and searching the registered faces. So I am executing the project. Here this is the home screen where we can access every of the process involved in the project. So primarily we have to begin with the mining the web images. So as far as our project is concerned, we have to mine the facial images. So for mining the facial images we have to give a query such as personality names for getting the corresponding result images from the web, which we will be utilizing for creating our data set. So these are the images which we retrieved from the web, which are weakly labeled. So here are the links provided as tooltips. So we can use this module for archiving the web images, so in which we can remove or edit the search result. So I am archiving it. So all these images are archived. Likewise, we can enter series of names for retrieving the corresponding images from the web. You must have to keep in mind that you have to mine the web facial images. That's why we are giving such names. So for constructing the data set, we can make some preliminary assumptions on whether the image can be utilized or not. Based on that we can create archives. Likewise, we can mine freely available web facial images. After that we have to make face recognition task. So for that we can select a face, and just by clicking face recognition we can get the result. So this face recognition phase is carried out by Viola-Jones face recognition algorithm. So it involves identifying the eyes, left eye, right eye, and mouth, because in the next phase we need all these parameters for face registration. Okay, so this is the result we got. Is we can manually make and recognize the faces. But even though we need some automation, because we cannot make every images to be get face recognized, and that involves heavy human workload. So as far as we are going to make some automated process in beneath. So for that we can just select the corresponding directory in which we have kept images. All these are extracted face images from the web which are freely available. So just by selecting the directory, clicking on automate, we can get the results. Face recognition and registration phase are totally carried out in a synchronized manner here. After completing the phase registration phase, we have to go for indexing and searching phase, in which we will be extracting image features, and based on that indexing process is carried out, and which will be utilized for the searching process as we discussed earlier. So here is the model in which we will be having index, search, browse, and options for searching the locality sensitive hashing library. So here you can just provide the input directory in which we have hold the extracted web images. So you can just choose the directory where you have kept the images. So I am selecting the directory and just click on start. So already we have completed a registration process and everything. Those results are written to the file, and before making the hashing process, the complete things will be utilized underneath inside the module. Now we have completed the indexing phase, in which the face fuses are extracted, and based on that local sensitive hashing is done, and along with that ULR is passed, and unsupervised label refinement procedures will be carried out, and we will be having some full-fledged index generated. In this we can just browse through the images. Here we have 300 images indexed here. So these are the results for the given image. So here so we can browse to the indexed images. So let this be the search image for us. So here we are getting results. Providing better image would be giving better results. So these are the images we got, the 20 images of our result, first 20 images. So here we are having different settings for you to search with. So based on different settings we will be getting results from the LS search and ULR indexed images. So these are the results for the JPEG coefficient settings. For the RGB settings we are getting these results. So as far as our method is concerned, we are dealing with majority voting technique. So here we are having a majority of some 3 images for this image, and we can annotate these images Jackie Chan. So here we are having another option. Just by double clicking on image we can continue with our search. We will be getting similar results, search results. Thank you.